Hello, welcome back to episode number 9 of this Proof of Stake Experiment Season 2. We've been staking these 11 different cryptocurrencies to find out which one profits and generates the most interest. If you've just joined us and you don't know what's going on, I highly recommend you watch the playlist in the description below. So here's today's crypto markets. We're looking at a total market cap of 271 billion, a BTC dominance of 70.8%, and a total volume of 53.1 billion. And as you can see, the BTC price is now at 10.7. So last week we were at around a 9,600, and I'm just going to change this to the 7-day view. And you can see there's been a resurgence in Bitcoin price. More money is being poured into Bitcoin at the moment. So which shows here, I can show you just here when we were below 10,600. Actually, we're below 10,600. We're around 9,500 around here, and slowly more money has been poured in, especially here. There's been a big chunk of money been poured back into Bitcoin and again here, but this might lead to another drop in price. Who knows, but hopefully with this money being poured into Bitcoin, there will be more money being trickled into the other altcoins as well. So as you can see, some of the altcoins are gaining slightly. So we have Ethereum up about 4% and Litecoin up about 5%, and Monero up 15%, which is quite healthy, and Ethereum Classic also doing quite well, just below 13%. But there are some altcoins that are doing significantly bad still from last week, so there's some real losers in the altcoin world, especially Atom. Look, Atom is now below $2, which is really, this has done very bad since last week. For the whole 7 days, this has been just dropping, actually past a whole month. So it was about a month ago when it was just above $3.50, and now it's below $2. So not sure what's happening with, I think people are just selling off this coin. But that's what's been happening in these crypto markets. Let's have a look in the other news. And in some interesting news at CoinDesk, we have Paxos launches a new gold-backed cryptocurrency. So Paxos is a New York-based exchange and stablecoin issuer, but they just released this new crypto asset called Pax Gold, PAXG, and it's based on Ethereum blockchain. But the difference is, if you own one token of this, you own 1 ounce of gold. And the biggest game changer is you can take this token to an actual bullion exchange and exchange it for physical bars of gold, depending on how many tokens you own. And I believe this just makes life so much easier. If you're looking to buy gold, you can buy this token instead. And if you've watched some of my previous videos, I've done one video on the recession and how I'm preparing for it. So I also buy gold and other assets as well as cryptocurrency. So this is definitely a game changer and something I'm definitely going to be interested in looking into a bit later on. So here we have a look into our wallets, and this is the ARK wallet. We can see 2 new stakes here. So we have one stake for 0.132 and another stake for 0.130. So that's ARK doing work. Exclusive Coin is doing extremely well. So the last stake we received was on this date, and we're just going to count up how many stakes we have. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, going up, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 stakes for Exclusive Coin. Very impressive. And moving on to the Galleon wallet, this still has not staked anything. I think someone mentioned that we still have to wait another 20 days because we changed our delegates, so it's just not very user friendly whatsoever. Stratis Core, no joy here for any stakes. Reddcoin, we have 1 stake here for 215.30, which is very promising. I do believe Reddcoin have just updated their website as well, so go check that one out. Let's move on to the next batch of wallets. And a quick look into our compound, we see how our DAI is staking, and we have a 5.93, so that's $5.9. That's really good. $5.93, I beg your pardon, which is doing very, very well in these conditions. However, the supply, the actual percentage rate, has gone down slightly. So a week ago it was around 11%. Now it's gone down to about 9.87%. So there you have it. And looking into Loom, we have 37.32 Loom here, and we're just going to collect some more rewards. This time just sign into our MetaMask and collect those rewards. Let's move on to our O3 wallets. Now we're looking into our O3 wallet, and as you can see, we can claim 0.032 gas, and in total we have 3.93 ONG, and I will do those calculations a bit later on. So now we're having a look at our Trust wallet, and we can see V4 has 854.76, which is about 52 cents, and VThor and Vechain, in terms of pricing, they've gone down significantly in terms of when we purchased them, so they haven't been doing too well. However, it does stake very easily. Now moving on to Tomochain, we can see that we've got one around here, we've got 1.9. so if we add our previous stakes, because we had to switch, we had about 0.74, so in total it's about 2.64 in stakes here in total, and we're going to do those calculations right now. So here's the stakes. We received exclusive coin at number 1 position with $1.14, doing extremely well. In second place we have DAI at 67 cents, Reddcoin at 27 cents, Tomochain at 16 cents, Loom at 13 cents, Ontology gas at 8 cents, VThor token at 6 cents, ARC at 5 cents, and gas at 4 cents. So here's episode 9 of the Proof of Stake League. DAI still in, very strong at number 1 with a total ROI of 2.42%, daily staking average of around 9 cents, and in total around $6.05 generated with lending on DAI. So doing very well. However, the percentage, the savings rate, has gone down slightly, so it's now around 9%. Whereas very closely we have exclusive coin, we have generated a profit of around $5.65. Again, the daily staking average is around 9 cents, and you are expected to get around 1 coin per day, which is really quite strong. So I do expect to see over time exclusive coin perhaps overtaking DAI in terms of stakes, not in terms of value. And third position, no change for Reddcoin, but doing very well in a number 3 spot with a total of $1.42, an ROI of about 0.57%, and the daily staking average of around 2 cents. But you are looking to get around 15.71 coins per day if you hold over 125,000. And the rest, not much change as has actually happened, other than gas going up from position 9 into position 8, and Stratis going from position 8 going to position 9. However, Stratis is doing probably the worst in terms of the price action. It's now down to 38 cents. Now, if you remember, when we purchased this, it was around, I think it was around 90 cents when we purchased this. So this has done incredibly bad in terms of price action. Hopefully, fingers crossed, things will turn around soon. So here's some charts, and we're taking the fiat values from Delta Portfolio app on the 6th of September. And the profit over 66 days, we have DAI just over $6 now. Shortly behind is exclusive coin at around $5.60. However, I do believe over time exclusive coin may take over DAI over time, as DAI, the savings rate is actually going down slightly. However, exclusive coin's staking rate is just very consistent. And we have a Reddcoin Tomochain and Loom at just over $1 each. We're done with episode 9, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up. Also, hit that notification bell icon if you haven't done so. You can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, go to the website or Facebook. And thanks again to any of our partners and friends. I'll see you next week, guys. Take care.